Have you ever felt pain so intense that it made you feel like you were in shock? Imagine being under the headlights of a dentist's lamp, the shine of medical instruments, the smell of antibacterials, but above all, the feeling of helplessness while someone manipulates your body. This is the cruel reality that Ramazan Yilmaz had to face, a worker and father of two who had to fight for his very survival due to a seemingly routine dental procedure. It all started with a pain in his teeth, like a simple inconvenience that he hoped would go away with a visit to the dentist. Ramazan decided to rely on a private clinic in Ilufar, with the hope of resolving his illness. However, what should have been a routine dental implant procedure turned into an immediate nightmare. The doctor, a supposed expert with 24 years of experience, diagnosed Ramazan's thin bone structure and receding teeth, pointing to an implant as the solution. With the patient's trust, the surgery began. However, the simple insertion of the implant screw became a cataclysmic chain of events. While the dentist was handling the instrument, one device appeared to have broken, forcing the doctor to proceed manually. Ramazan, in the midst of grief, sensed that something was wrong. He screamed, begged to stop, but was rebuffed with a dry, "It's normal." He continued until the pain was beyond all limits, that the surgery was stopped for an X-ray. And that's when the cruel truth emerged. The screw, instead of inserting itself into the jawbone, had sunk into the skull, in the vicinity of the cerebrospinal fluid. A mistake as tragic as it was avoidable, which turned a dental procedure into a long and painful fight for survival. The subsequent rush to hospital was a litany of terror and anxiety, with doctors facing a delicate surgery to remove the screw from Ramazan's skull. One misstep, the slightest wrong maneuver, and it could have been his last breath. Luckily, his story didn't end tragically, but the fight didn't end the moment the lights in the clinic went out. Ramazan had to deal with the physical, emotional, and financial consequences of such a serious medical error. She decided to pursue a complaint, not only to draw attention to medical negligence, but also to obtain justice for the damages she suffered. His dentist denied the accusations, citing medical complications, but Ramazan has not given up, hoping that his story can be a warning to other patients. In conclusion, the Ramazan Yilmaz case is not just an isolated case, but a sad demonstration of the potentially catastrophic consequences of medical negligence. Put a like if you liked the video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date. Thanks, and until next time.